Welcome, in this video I will show you how to turn on low power mode on Apple Watch Series 11. First of all, open the control center by pressing the side button on your Apple Watch, then tap the battery percentage icon and then select low power mode. You can turn it on by either selecting the first option, then you're gonna have to manually disable it. If you want to turn it on for a certain amount of time, select turn on for and then select the days for which you want this mode to be enabled on your Apple Watch. So for example, 1 day. And now in order to turn this mode off, you have to tap the battery percentage white icon once again, tap on low power mode button, and this will disable the low power mode. Now if you don't see the battery percentage icon on the list, scroll all the way down, tap edit at the bottom, tap the plus icon in the top left corner, then find the battery percentage icon right here and tap on it to add it, and then tap done to apply changes. And that's how you use low power mode on your Apple Watch. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.